Ipsy unboxing for August and September. I'm going to do August first. This is the bag. Orange and yellow detailing. I don't even know what I got in here because I didn't even look. That's that part. This one's called Selfie with No Filter. First thing I got is a brush. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's open it. Excuse me. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. It has like glitter, pink glitter inside of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really pretty. And it has gold detail and little pink rhinestones on it. I don't know who the brand is. Let me see. I don't know what the brand. I don't know, but it's SG62. It's a brush. It's really soft. But this is what it looks like, if I can talk. I got that. And then I got a Glow 2 highlighter. Illuminating powder highlighter. Ooh. And it is by that company. Let's see what the highlighter looks like. Ooh. Yes, let me turn this color down because you can't really see it. It's taking away the color. Pull it down a little bit. Alright, this is what it looks like. Let's open it. Oh, this pretty color. Let's see. Oh, it's really creamy. Oh, look at that. Yes. You see that? Yes. This is called Moon Dust. Oh, okay, Moon Dust. That was just a leftover I had after I wiped it, but this is what it is. I like that. The next thing I got is the Black Tea London Class Serum. The Aging Cream Care. It's for aging cream, I guess. I don't know. Never heard of it. And it has like a whole bunch of words on it. Like, I don't know what that language is. Let me see. Focus. There it goes. I don't know. This is what it looks like. Nice size. I don't know what it is, so I can't get excited. I don't know. I don't know. It's a pigment. Ooh. This is a shadow. And this is the name of it. And that's the company. And let's see the color, shall we? Oh, it's also creamy too. Ooh. Look at this color. Do you see the color? It is so pretty. I like the ooh. Ooh, girl. Ooh, wee. I like this. I might have to do an eye look with this. And then the last thing. Ooh. I got a MAC. Finally got a MAC product. False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. It comes in a little tube like this. And you twist it, and then the spoolie with the product on it. I'm excited to use this because if it's good, I might go back and get it. So that's all. Got this product on my hand. I don't want to write it on thing. This is all I got into this package. This is the August one. So we're gonna move on to the September one and see what. Oh, this is pretty. I love these bags because you can use them for so much. And before I get any further, Ipsy, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription for $10.99, and you get 5 products in them every month. And you either get you take a survey of what you like, and it gives you different products that it will see if you like them or not. And then you can buy the full price of that on the site, which is half, is always cheaper. And then they have this program now where you buy something and you get cash back. Like I bought a Tarte eyeshadow and highlighter palette, and I got like $14 back, and they mailed me a check. What? You gonna pay me to shop, girl? Okay. Say no more. And they have a whole bunch of stuff. They have like, you go on their site and you have different like brushes, makeup, anything you want is on their site, which I absolutely love. This is the packaging on this one, and it's kind of gold detail with little eyelashes, and it has gold detail with the name and the detail of your gold. I might use this for like a little purse though. This is cute, right? No, maybe. We'll see. So what I got in here, this theme was Who Is Going to Stop Me? I don't know what that theme is, but we don't really care. So the first thing I see is a 111 skin space. Stuff is so small. Hold on. That's the eye gel. So it's bright eye lift gel. Well, let's see what you got going on here. How you open it? Oh, there it goes. Whew. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. Why am I so tired? I don't know. Packaging is really hard to get off. Okay, there we go. All right. Ooh. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like. And it has a little pop off with a little pump. I like these little pumps. And this is stuff in the back of. You can't really see. But it's purple. It's really pretty. This little size eye cream. I might try that. I got dark spots, dark circles under my eyes. Been that way all my life. All my life I had to fight. Sat in that chair, nearly rocking to death. Okay, I'm sorry. My bad. All right, the next thing I see is Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics. So it looks like. I don't know what this is though. Ooh, dropping stuff. Let's open and find out. Ooh, it's a bronzer, DLS bronzer. And it comes in a package like this. Ooh, look at that. This is the color Skinny Dip. Okay, a little fresco. Now let's open it. I can't open it. It won't let me. I'm really struggling trying to open this now, girl. Listen. Oh, there we go. All right. This is what it looks like up close. Ooh, it's a pretty goldish, bronzy looking color. It's very creamy. That's what it looks like on my skin. Can't really see it, huh? Can't really see it. It's right there. But I would use this more. Let me see. Yeah. I would use it more of a highlighter or a shadow on my face, on my eyes, I mean. Because you really can't see it. It's right there. It's really light. I don't know. All right. So No Man Around the World. And this one is light infused powder. That's what it looks like in the package. It has No Man name. Come on, focus. It's not focusing. I don't like when it doesn't focus. There it goes. Okay. So there it goes. Well, it comes in this little cute little packaging. It has no man on it. And then the color, I'm assuming, is on the back. I can't really tell. It's so small. Let's see. There it goes. Alright, so I'm assuming the color's on the back. I can't really tell. Ooh. Aww. It has an N on it for Nikisha. Ipsy. I'm just kidding. But it does have an N on it, see? It's an N and it has a C. And it's this pretty peachy coral color. It's really pretty. I don't want to rub it hard because I don't want the end to come off. I did rub it hard, but that's what it is right there. Oh, this is cute. So whatever. Next thing I got. Ooh! I'm excited about this one. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish. It's Primoiser. As you could tell, I'm bad with names. I butchered them. Primoiser. I don't know. So it's primer plus moisture in one. And it's a Smashbox. And that name right there had me going crazy. And it's this little cute little fling. You top the top off of it. Okay, you got a little pump. Okay, you pump. Pump it up. Pump. Okay, I'm done. Ooh, dropped it on the ground. Oh, it's gonna stay down there until we're done this video. The last thing I got in this little baggie is the City Limits Lush eyeshadow. And it's called Ice and Fire. Or IBY Beauty. Sorry. It's by IBY Beauty. And this is the back. I like this little packaging. It's really pretty. I don't even know what this is. Oh, these little cute little packaging. So cute. I don't know the color though. Oh, it's called Fire and Ice. Okay. Oh my god. This is so pretty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, it's really creamy. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at it. It's right there. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, snap it close for one time. Okay, I'm done. Alright, so that's all I got for that video. I have two, like I said, August and September, because I didn't do August. And if you guys like these videos, please like this video. And if you don't like these videos, let me know what videos you want to see me do. So I'm very proud of myself because I did 2 videos today and I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god. And I feel horrible, but you gotta keep it going, keep it moving, keep it going, keep it going. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I'm done. But anyway, that's all I got in these videos. I might do a makeup haul with these because I love these colors. Like, I love this color. I absolutely love this brush. This is so cute, y'all. I don't even know what this is. I'm assuming it's because it's kind of tapered. I don't know. I would use it for like highlighting. Yes. Anyway, I'm rambling. This is all I have for this video. If you do like it, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give me a big thumbs up and comment and turn on your notifications, and have a blessed day and smile and be a blessing to somebody, because God is always looking to bless you. Okay. I love this pen. This is my new best friend. Hi best friend. Are you one? Anyway, all right, I'm done. Ready? Are you ready? Watch this action. Bye.